First day of Delhi Assembly session, already a showdown, chaos, commotion, and this is with regard to a portrait war. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta now hits back at the Aam Aadmi Party, who's now the Chief Minister, responding to leader of opposition Atishi's claim that look how they've even removed B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh's portraits from the Chief Minister's office, to which CM says no portrait has been removed. It is Aam Aadmi Party's tactic to hide their corruption.
अपने भ्रष्टाचार को, अपनी कारगुजारियों को बाबा साहब के पीछे, आदरणीय हमारे शहीद भगत सिंह जी के पीछे छिपाने का ये इनका प्रपंच है। आप खुद स्वयं इस कमरे में हैं। जो सरकार के हेड हैं, क्या उनकी तस्वीर नहीं लगनी चाहिए? देश की राष्ट्रपति की तस्वीर क्या नहीं लगनी चाहिए? क्या देश राष्ट्र के पिता कहे जाने वाले महात्मा गांधी जी की तस्वीर नहीं लगनी चाहिए? तो ये कमरा दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री का है और हमने सरकार के हेड के नाते उनको स्थान दिया है।
Joins me for the latest on that, Piyush. First day, already a showdown, and it's not about either the welfare scheme for women or about the CAG reports. It's about completely different issue. Tell us more about it.
Well, absolutely, Pooja, a completely different issue, and that has been raised by Aam Aadmi Party, where Aam Aadmi Party is now claiming that the portraits of B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh have now been removed by BJP-led Delhi government. They are saying that this shows the anti-Sikh and anti-Dalit mindset of BJP government. For that, they had also protested right in front of Delhi Chief Minister office. What we are now told is that various MLAs and ministers of Delhi government have come out and they have said that these are false claims. In fact, Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has also taken media inside the Delhi Chief Minister office, where he has shown that Bhagat Singh's portrait was right there at the right place inside the office. But at the same time, the BJP is also asking, should there be portraits of President of India? Shouldn't there be portraits of PM Narendra Modi or the photos of tall leaders of the country? So we are now seeing political bickering taking place over the portraits of B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh. Aam Aadmi Party is saying that they have been removed, but BJP is denying all these things. At the same time, tomorrow is also going to be very, very important day, because today oath taking of all MLAs has completed. Tomorrow, the Bharatiya Janata Party government is going to table 14 reports of CAG, which earlier was not tabled. And remember that this was one of the promises which was made by BJP during the course of campaigning, where they claimed they had categorically stressed upon the fact that at the moment they form the government, they are going to table the CAG report, which will certainly expose the corruption of Aam Aadmi Party leaders. So tomorrow it's going to be another busy
Piyush,
day.
Keep tracking the latest on that.
Right,
even before the second day, already first day in itself, leading to a showdown. You can look at the posters, portraits behind. For example, here Rekha Gupta, there's President Mahatma Gandhi and Prime Minister Modi. Earlier, Atishi shared that image to say, we had B.R. Ambedkar, we had Bhagat Singh. Where are those portraits now?